This is what happens when your car overheats, and in this case the core plug has fallen out the cylinder head. The rocker cover has been removed. That's the core plug for the head. We've dropped the sump, and that's your oil pump. We're going to have to drop the oil pump to clean it out because that's just full of mayonnaise. So there's, and that's the sump itself. So that's your oil pump, and that's all the oil ways that are completely, well, not blocked because it's coming out, but it's gloopy as anything. So we've got to clean the car, clean the engine before we can put this back together. It's really very bad. So your sump pan's nice and clean. The bottom of the engine's nice and clean. This is your oil pump, which is now clean. We've done the same to the top. I'll show you that in a minute. Now, also making sure your oil pump is clean of anything that shouldn't be there. So I'm running the oil pump from this drill. You can see, forgot. Oh, jeez. State that. Yeah, this is going to be horrible. Oh, lovely. That's interesting. Right, you can see now, it's all nice and clean in there. Certainly better than it was.